Hello everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a bead unboxing for the Bead of the Month Club. And this is for November. And the Bead of the Month Club is from Adornable Elements. I received 2 of them monthly, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month and the 2 Whole Beads of the Month. You can use the coupon code BNJewelry10. I will leave that link below to save 10% off on your order from them. I will leave a link to the code and their website below. Each one of these is $22.95 a month for the single ones, and they also have a double one for each for $39.95 per month. And they also have quite a few other beads of the month clubs. So if you go on their website, you can see all of them. So here, these are the 2 I have right now. And we have, let me see here, let me adjust my light. Sometimes after I start shooting, I feel like, okay. So we have the 2 Whole Beads of the Month Club, Fuchsia Glam, and Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club, Apple Orchard. So let's start with the 2 Whole Bead of the Month Club. Oh, look at how pretty these are. Oh, I'm excited. Don't you just love getting beads in the mail? I know I do. My sister thinks I'm nuts. She talks to me and I'm like, oh, I got more beads. And she's like, okay. So, make sure this is that upright. Bring it down a little bit more here. Sorry about that. I'm just feel like it's there we go. Okay. So let me see here. We've got some goodies here. Okay, so let me see, we got KT. HP, we got Parpukas, HC, KYR, TWN, GNK, DU. Okay. So, this first one, oh, look at how pretty these are. Let me get my little, get some of these little trays. So this is the first one from the 2 Whole Bead of the Month Club. It's Pink Metallust Kite. It's 7 grams. You definitely get a lot of them. Look at how pretty these are. Oh, the color is just, I'm always blown away by their beads. They're so pretty. And, you know, even if you don't bead weave, you can really do a lot with these beads. I always, I do a lot of my lariats with these kind of beads. So the next one is Crystal Picasso Rula, 7.5 grams. And this price is $2 for these. The last one was $3.25 for the 7 grams. Look at how pretty these are. These are pretty. I love the Picasso finish on these. Put these in. You can see these. Look at how pretty those are. Okay. So the next one is Topaz Gold Splash Honeycomb, 30 pieces for $3. Look how pretty those are. You can see the hole runs through. You can see where the lines, the hole runs through. Put these in here. Yes, and if you are into bead weaving, this is definitely your jam. So And the next one is Crystal Slipperit Pyramid. 25 pieces for $4. Okay. Okay. Oh, these are cool. So this, if you look at how that is, so this is the bottom of it, or it could be the top. So it's kind of like a triangle. So the top here is a triangle, and that's the bottom. You can see the two lines that go through it. So, yeah, so like if you were to bead weave something, you could have it with points all around. You could change it up. You can do a little here, a little there. Very pretty. Next is Great Pearl Striped Tile, 20 pieces for $3.25. Very pretty. There's a hole at the top. Yeah, and you just see a little bit of striping in there, a little bit of kind of like a white. Very pretty. Where's this? Oop. Okay. And the next one matches these. These are pink Metalust Ginkgo, 7 grams for $4. So these are pretty. And these are all 2-hole beads. So, oh. So here, let me pick this up. So here would be like the top if you wanted to. So you can see how, very pretty. Now I would like put some, like face them like this towards each other and put a couple seed beads on each side between them and do like a 2-strand lariat. You could do like some black and some copper. Oh, that would be gorgeous with this. Okay, the next is Topaz Slipperit. Super Duos, 12.5 grams for $3.50. There's a lot here. I kept some of them in the thing, so they're, ooh. These are gorgeous. Look at these. Absolutely beautiful. You can see, oh, you can see like, that's where the holes are right there. And just the AB finish on these. You see a little bit of like that, like if you put a couple of these in there, see how you see some of the speckles of that in there? They match this. Absolutely beautiful. And then get another one of these. Last but not least, we have Pastel Light Gray Silver Cheops. Cheops. Perpuka. Oh, they really got some names on these. Okay. So here's these. So you can hear my doggy in there. She likes to snork. So here is, okay, here I'll show you. Okay, so here's how the hole runs. It runs like that. So then it comes out on both sides of the point too. These are beautiful. I'm not sure. I think that my favorites, I kind of think maybe these, just because I love all the different colors in them. And I've made some beautiful lariats with these beads because they're so tiny, and you can intertwine them with like seed beads in between or do these. Sure, I can come up with some really cool things with these. So let me get the other one, the Apple Orchard, and I'll be right back. Okay, and the second one is the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club, the Apple Orchard. Now, these can be anything. I love them because they're very different from, you know, some of the other beads I get in my monthly bead subscriptions. And they can be 1 hole, 2 hole, 3 hole, you know. I've even had some 4-hole ones. Let me get this piece of tape off of there. So it's really cool because you get, you know, you just really get something different every month. And, you know, you might not get a lot of something, but you can definitely make some, you know, really pretty jewelry out of what you do get. Okay, so we have, let me see, PTL, DGR, GK, HRT, pretty, AB, LBN, HWF, and this. Okay, so the first one is Chalky White Funky Wine Petals, 30 pieces for $2.25. Actually, I don't have them here in my bead room. I made some really cool earrings, and I dangled these at the bottom. See, so they're like, they're, you know, different one side or the other. They all have like this really pretty pinky red on one side. There's the, these are really pretty. Yeah, but I took like some jump rings. I took a jump ring and I put it through this hole and I dangled them at the bottom of the earrings, and it kind of looked like a little fan going out. It was a really nice little, you know, a little added extra. Oh, these are pretty. Etched Crystal Magic Wine Daggers, 25 pieces for $4.75. These, I love putting these on the ends of earrings, or, oh, look at these. So they're, some of them are matte. They're kind of matte, and some of them are a little more AB. Very, kind of a rustic color. Look at that. Like that pretty, like a yellowy olive. And then it's kind of like a caramel-y color. Get a bit of like a pink kind of in here, a fuchsia. These are gorgeous. Okay. Number 3 is Crystal Magic Wine Gecko. 7 grams, $4.50. I got quite a few in here. Now these are, let me see. Okay, so these are 1 hole. I don't know if you can see that. There's just 1 hole at the top. So, yeah, so these could be really cool. You could like put these on jewelry, and you could like have them going opposite ways, and it would kind of look almost like a snakeskin pattern. It'd be kind of something different you could do with these. These are really pretty. Okay, number 4 is Transparent Red Heart. Okay. Oh, these are pretty. And there's hearts, and there's a line going up and down through it. These almost look like those red hot candies. I'm sure everybody knows what these are. These would be really cute for Valentine's Day, to make little earrings, or make little, like, you could take these and put a couple of these on head pins and make a little charm bracelet even with these. Or you could do for someone for the holidays, you know, like if you love somebody, you can do that. Those are really pretty. And the next is Transparent Brown AB Abstract Butterfly. Okay, this I have to take the lid off. Oh, okay. So check these out. The hole goes long ways. So they definitely are cool. Look at all the different, you can see all the different colors in them. but okay, do not want to drop these. Yes, those are really pretty. And the next is Peridot 2AB Ornamental Button, 10 pieces for $4. Oh, these are really pretty. You know, we love getting these. Oh, I love the feel of them. They have like that really cool texture to them. Very pretty. And the hole runs like that right through the metal. Next is red with gold heart with flower. 4 pieces for $2.75. Put these over there. Oh, these are pretty. The hole runs through the top. These are very well-made beads. I mean, they're a little more expensive, but you know, if you're doing something special, like, I mean, you could do a pair of earrings, and then you could do this as like a pendant, and then do this as a charm on a bracelet or something, and you can get a whole set out of here. Make a whole jewelry set with these. So pretty. Okay. And last but not least, we have Peridot Maria leaf, 25 pieces for $2. Okay. Look how pretty these are. Oh, love, love, love these. So pretty. And the whole runs here on the top of the leaf. So yeah, you could, like, you know, have these going, etching them one way or the other. So I think I don't know, for this one, I think it might be these. These are so pretty. For this one, for Apple Orchard. So I hope you enjoyed this bead unboxing, and let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. And I will leave the link below to Adornable Elements, and if you go and order off of there, don't forget to use code BNJewelry10 to save 10% off your order from them. And it does help my channel, so I really appreciate it. I will leave the links to my Etsy, my Pinterest, my Facebook, and my Instagram below if you want to go follow me on there. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you at my next video. You have a great day.